rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm not really sure exactly which direction I want the tutorial to go in, considering that I just bought some new makeup and I kind of want to try it out for you guys, as well as me, you know, doing some kind of makeup tutorial. I bought a few things, but I'm probably only going to show y'all like what I'm actually going to be using today as far as my makeup. The first thing I bought was this Fenty Beauty lip gloss, the one called Diamond Milk, I believe. Yes, the Diamond Milk one. I've been seeing this like everywhere and I've been wanting to try it, so I finally bought it and it finally came in, so I'm going to be using this today. For Farsailly drops. I don't know how to say this, but yeah, I bought these because I see a lot of people using these, a lot of like makeup artists using these. I decided to buy me some of these and, you know, see what that's talking about. And of course, because I'm so late at buying stuff and I'm always like the last person to try some stuff, while everybody is trying the new Fenty Beauty concealers, your girl is just not trying the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm not sure why I took this long to finally buy this foundation, but I finally bought it, and so I'm gonna see what it's looking like on my skin. So I'm gonna take some regular concealer and I'm gonna put this on my lids. You guys know I always do that when I'm doing my eyeshadows. This just helps the colors to pop even better. So for the first shade I'm gonna be putting down, I want a dark color as well as the lilac color. So I'm gonna go into the Subculture palette. It's been like one of my go-to palettes lately. I don't know why, because I'm not really feeling all the colors in here, but I love like the brown in here. So I think I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna use that on my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take some concealer again and just dab that more so in the middle, just to make the purple show up a little bit easier, because some of that brown did get further down than I wanted it to. I'm going to take this really light purple right here. I'm going to use that as my next shade. This liquid eyeshadow by Stila in the color Perlina, and I'm gonna put this on like the center of my lids. Now I'm gonna take the darker purple shade in the same palette and use my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into my face and doing my eyes. I'm gonna be taking this skin enhancing antioxidant serum, which is in this bottle right here. It's called Farsailly. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but I'm taking some of these. I'm gonna use this as my primer today. I'm gonna just drop these all over my face. And I'm not sure if I'm using too much or if that's enough. I'm gonna just rub this into my skin. My first impression from this right now, when you first put it on, it feels like really watery, but the more you start working into your skin, it starts to feel more like of a moisturizer. So I kind of see why people use this as their primer, and it does feel very moisturizing. Like my skin feels really soft right now, it doesn't feel dry or tight or anything. So yeah. Now let's get into foundation. I'm going to be taking this Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 330. We finna see how this works. I bought this offline. I ain't never buy foundation offline, so I'm hoping that this matches me. This was like the closest one that I've seen to my skin tone on the website. So, hold up, do a couple pumps. Oh, it's really watery. See, I'm gonna take a brush first. Then I'm gonna go over it with my beauty blender. with this foundation, I probably could have went one shade lighter because it is kind of orange on me. But when I was picking it out on the website, this was like the only one that said yellow undertones in the description of it, and everything else was saying like red and olive undertones, which is why I picked this one, because I have yellow undertones. And I have foundations that are this like dark, and it's easy for me to just lighten it up with using some concealer. So I think that's what I'm gonna have to do, is put a little bit of extra concealer on today, just to make this, just to tone it down a little bit, because it's really orange and looking kind of oompa loompa-ish. So we finna fix this, y'all. But as far as like the foundation itself, I like how mattifying it looks. Like it's not oily at all. It's really drying actually. But you gotta work fast with this foundation, I can see right now, because if you don't, you're gonna be stuck with spots that are like patchy because you're not able to move it around. Like once this foundation goes on, I can see that it's not going nowhere. Okay, so I'm going to take some Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to conceal the hell out of the spots that I normally conceal, just to kind of tone this down a little bit. I can tell the more that this foundation oxidizes, the more orange it's going to look. So yeah, the concealer definitely helps tone it down a little bit. Well, a lot of it, because I'm not super orange no more. So if you buy this foundation offline, be prepared. I've never had a foundation that was described as having yellow undertones be orange on me. So just be careful. So I'm going to set my face with my favorite setting spray, which is from the Makeup Revolution, the Oil Fix Spray. Then I'm going to take some Tarte highlighter, and I want to highlight my face. I'm going to hit the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Diamond Milk. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty. Like I love the packaging of this gloss. It's so cute. It smells like candy. I've been on this little rant about how I just like wearing gloss right now. So this is so cute. It has like, it's a clear gloss, but it has like white sparkles in it. Depending on your skin tone, this might not be a good gloss for you because it's going to look really white on your lips if your lips are kind of dark. But on somebody with pink lips like mine, it just looks like a gloss with like glitter on it, and I love glitter. Like, it doesn't look like a cheap gloss. It's not like a cheap looking gloss, but it's really cute. And this is the final look. Overall, for the products that I just bought, I absolutely love like all of them. The only thing that I would change is the color of the foundation that I got, but I love the foundation. The foundation is like, it makes your skin look like it's airbrushed. I'm not gonna lie, like, this is like a really good foundation, and I have oily skin, so it's really matte. It's very mattifying, so this is gonna help with me looking, you know, oily throughout the day. I don't feel like it's not gonna move. Like, for somebody with dry skin, I would not recommend this product because it's very dry, and also this product is really watery, but it dries down very fast. So you have to make sure that you work really fast when you're using this product. But yeah, as far as, you know, the drops, these were really good on my skin. They made my skin feel really soft and smooth. And as far as like the gloss, I love this color. It's so pretty. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.